Once a pioneering force in computer science, Lisp had almost faded into obscurity, until Clojure came along. With its fresh approach to modern programming challenges, Clojure sparked a revival of interest in Lisp and brought functional programming back into the spotlight. Let's dive into the story of how Clojure made this timeless language cool again. In 1958, John McCarthy introduced the world to Lisp, a language that would become a cornerstone of computer science. Known for its parentheses-heavy syntax and its emphasis on recursion and symbolic computation, Lisp quickly became a favorite among researchers and AI developers. But as newer languages like C and Java came into the spotlight, Lisp began to fade into the background, seen as a relic of the past. That is, until Clojure appeared. In 2007, software developer Rich Hickey set out to create a modern language that embraced the functional programming principles of Lisp but with the flexibility and power needed for modern software development. The result was Clojure, a dynamic, functional language that runs on the Java Virtual Machine, JVM. Clojure combined the expressiveness of Lisp with the performance and ecosystem of Java, bringing the best of both worlds to developers. It wasn't just a language, it was a revival. What makes Clojure stand out? It brought functional programming to the forefront at a time when developers were looking for ways to write cleaner, more maintainable code. Immutability, first-class functions, and its ability to handle concurrency made it an attractive option for building scalable systems. Unlike traditional Lisp, Clojure is designed to solve real-world problems with simplicity, allowing developers to write concise, powerful programs without sacrificing performance. Clojure didn't just revive Lisp, it influenced the broader programming landscape. Its emphasis on immutability, data structures, and concurrent programming inspired other languages like Scala and Haskell, and even impacted mainstream languages like JavaScript with the rise of functional programming libraries. Clojure reminded the programming world that Lisp's core principles were not just relevant but essential for modern software development. The rise of Clojure also breathed new life into the Lisp community. Developers who had long admired Lisp's simplicity and power found a new home in Clojure, which led to a resurgence of interest in Lisp dialects. Clojure's vibrant community of contributors, open-source projects, and growing number of meetups have kept the spirit of Lisp alive, while giving it a fresh, modern edge. Clojure's journey is far from over. As the demand for functional programming continues to grow, Clojure is making its mark in fields like AI, data science, and high-performance systems. With its strong foundation in Lisp's principles and its ability to adapt to modern challenges, Clojure will continue to play a key role in the evolution of programming. The legacy of Lisp lives on through Clojure, inspiring the next generation of developers. Clojure didn't just revive interest in Lisp, it redefined how we think about programming. If you're excited about the future of functional programming, hit that like button, subscribe, and join us as we continue to explore how classic languages like Lisp are shaping the future of software development.